it's a great day for a drive, and this is a nice treat. This is a 2019 Transit 150 XLT in ingot silver. It has charcoal cloth interior, seating for 8, and the driver's seat is heated. You also have a reverse camera, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look inside and out and under the hood. And this is got a lot of storage room, so when you stay tuned, I am going to be opening up the back and showing you how much storage you have, plus bringing all your peeps. It's a 3.7 liter V6 engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and this vehicle's a rear wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks, and you have a power driver seat with heated seat, which is very handy. You also have this nice step to get in, and there's the adjustment for your windows and your lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, and when we start up the vehicle you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and we can actually get into the menu as well. So there's trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And in the center there, we're seeing the temperature outside as well as the time. And you've got your media choices, AM, FM. As well, you've got a CD player that's located up there, and your volume and tuner. There's your hazard lights. And then down below, you have your fan. You have the AC and max AC, as well as a 12 volt auxiliary line in. This is the automatic select shifter. A couple of cup holders. There's your 12 volt. And you've got these nice carpeted floors, the emergency parking brakes right beside the driver. You also have an armrest for both driver and passenger, locking glove compartment, and you have a little bin off to the side, and the driver has that too. Grab handle in the body, and you also have a manually dimming rear view mirror, and there's the fan controls for up top there for the back, because you've got vents back there. You also have your lighting, and that's up top. 16-inch wheels with the dark gray cladding, and you're seeing that cutout. That is when you open up the door, you have access to your fuel tank and cap. And then in the back, you've got these nice tinted windows, and just below where your license plate holder would be on the left-hand side is where your backup camera is located. And then when you want to open up these doors, you simply put your hand in the handle here and pull, and they just pops right open. And then you've got the clasp here on the left. Undo that, and as you can see, there is lots of room. Despite the fact that you can seat 8 people in here, there's a large cargo area. I'm quite impressed. You've got your lighting up top and the tinted windows on the side and back, and you also have some bins there to put items. And then when you want to close it all up, it's just swinging the door left side closed first, and then the right, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. I like the convenience of this sliding door on the passenger side with these transits. So you just pull the handle. You've got a nice step as well as a grab handle in the body. And this vehicle has seating for 8. So on this outside row here, you've got an armrest, and then each one of them has a 3-point seat belt. Same thing goes for the next row, which is really handy. And then even behind that row, you still have a lot of storage. So you can bring lots of people, lots of stuff. And then we can just slide the door closed, and away you go. First camera in the rear passenger sliding door with tinted glass, long arm side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.